Loud. Hey guys, it's me, Oz, with Answer Sales Calls and Help Grow Sales. And today, what we're going to do, we've got an actual customer that has a help desk scenario. And with help desk with Smithers, you know that one of the great things that you're allowed to do is you're allowed to actually start uploading your documents, SOPs, and things of that sort, so that your customers can benefit from the knowledge that you're basically training Smithers at that particular time to be able to handle all the different questions that your help desk teams maybe or your help desk customers may be asking for your teams. So Smithers formulates as your first line help desk support, and we're going to showcase that particular example now. I've got Curtis on the line with me. Hey, Kurt, can you hear
Hey,
us still?
yep. How's it going, Us?
Awesome. Awesome. Great, man. So what I want you to do is I want you to share your screen. And then what we're going to do is we're going to showcase the actual process of uploading, documents to basically these documents will train your bot to be more efficient. So we've got for Progress Move It software, the example is what we're doing here. And the first things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on that manage data source button. Curtis, you don't need to click that right now because it showcases all of your specific
Right.
data, but I'm going to
Okay.
explain around that really quick. So when you click on the manage data source button, what pops up is your specific Azure environment. So you're going to need, in order for you to be able to upload documents that can be trained, you're going to need to have your own Azure environment. We can create a whole nother video on that one soon on how to create in your own Azure environment that will allow for you to actually manage the files that will go up, as well as this Azure search that needs to happen as well too. So this is enabling the ability to upload the files that you have, as many as you want to the system. And then that actually allows for Smithers to utilize Azure search to then look at those documents and then be able to determine whether or not it has the answer for that particular customer's question. So we're already under the assumption that you have for this demo, we're already under the assumption that you have Azure search and Azure data files up and running in your environment. And then you're going to click on the upload doc button there. So Curtis, if you don't mind, if you can click on the upload doc button there.
Yep.
And we're going to just upload one at a time, a few documents that you will have. So you click the browse file to upload button,
Mhm.
and then you're going to find the files that you want to upload.
Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna come here, and I will start with this one. We do this one at a time. Is that right?
Yeah, one at a time. That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
Click on the upload button.
Okay. Hold on 1 second. I'll upload right
So it's
here.
got the file. Now you click on the upload button, and you're
Uh,
going to do that for maybe a couple other ones that you want to do. You can start that process now. You can click
okay.
the upload doc button. And remember, you already selected your bot up at the top, so you did that as well. Click on the upload button there, the browse file upload, and do the
Okay.
next one.
Yep. Okay.
One thing I click on the upload button there. And
Yep.
the one thing I didn't mention was that you need to have clicked on your bot up at the top left where it says,
All right
good
here.
afternoon. You click on that, and then you select the bot that you want to be uploading these documents to, right?
Right.
So if you have more than one bot, you definitely need to make sure that you're on the right one that you're uploading these documents to or for. And then
Mhm.
you can upload as many as you want, Curtis. If you're done, that's fine too.
Okay. I'm gonna do one more,
Okay, sure. Yeah.
and let's see. Let's do this one. Okay. Oh, upload.
Yeah. Okay, so now what's happening on the back end, let me explain that as well. You see the training button that's actually, or the training icon that's kind of spinning there. What's actually happening in the background is we're actually uploading that document to your Azure environment, and we're indexing it as well. So we actually force an index to happen so that with an index, what happens is the Azure code is going in and is taking everything that is textual inside of that document, and it is training the model based off of all of that textual data. If you click on upload document one more time, Curtis, I wanted to showcase the file types that are allowed.
Yep.
So the file types that are allowed are right there. You got the PDF, the text, MD file, which is oh shoot, I just forgot the name of that acronym all of a sudden. It's a model definition file. So it is basically what we call a model definition file, which is almost looking like HTML type of a format. It's a definition file that looks like its own modeling language, like HTML, that also teaches the model as well. HTML documents, then the standard Office documents like documents and PowerPoint presentations. So those are the things that you can upload today, and these are the restrictions within the Azure platform. You can click the X or cancel now, and your model is pretty much already trained now. So now if you can go to your bot setup wizard to remember the phone number for your bot, and go to settings on that bot. Click the settings button there, and scroll down, and you'll see your phone number. Your bot is marked as a help desk bot.
Yep.
And you're going to see the phone number that you're going to dial.
Is it the bot number?
Yeah, the bot number is the one that you're going to be dialing. So you'll dial that 779-257, that number.
Okay. And should I dial it now?
Yeah, dial it now on your phone and put it on speaker so we can hear you ask some questions that should be pulling from those documents.
Okay. Okay. Hold on one second. Sorry.
All right.
Oh, hold on one second. Sorry.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. So I have it on speakerphone now.
Hello there. My name is Curtis. I'm an automated assistant for Progress Move It software. I'm here to help you with support issues with our secure file transfer software. To get started, can you tell me your name?
Curtis.
Nice to meet you, Curtis. How can I assist you today with our secure file transfer software?
I'm having an issue with lockout issue.
I'm sorry to hear that you're experiencing a lockout issue. To better assist you, could you please provide me with more details about the issue you're facing with our secure file transfer software?
Yes, I'm unable to log in to my Move It DMZ software.
I apologize for the inconvenience. To troubleshoot the login issue, could you please confirm if you're receiving any error messages when trying to log in?
Yes, the error message I'm receiving is sign on failed.
I apologize, but I couldn't find a specific answer to your question. However, I can provide you with some general troubleshooting steps. Please try clearing your browser cache and cookies, and then attempt to log in again. If the issue persists, please reach out to our support team at support@progress.com or call us at +1-301-661-3482 for further assistance.
Great, thank you.
Okay, you can hang up if you like.
If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Okay, hey guys, I'm back.
So I'm not sure if that answered your question the way that you were hoping.
It didn't, but it did, because that's a troubleshooting method that I do use, and it's also one that that customers use when they're having issues like that. So that actually was good.
So now in this particular case, what that should be doing is it should be going into your CRM, which I think you guys use. The CRM that you guys use is, what is it called again?
ServiceNow, excuse me. ServiceNow.
ServiceNow. So that should be going into ServiceNow. And then from there, creating some kind of a ticket. But
Correct.
how can we get more detailed with that particular question? Maybe you can ask it a different series of questions around this to get a different answer.
Yes, I think I can.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Let me try it one more time.
Try calling again. And let's see if we can get a different series of answers based off of that.
Okay.
And you can give the same name again too. That way your team would know that you've called in more than once.
That's right. Okay.
Hello there. My name is Curtis. I'm an automated assistant for Progress Move It software. I'm here to help you with support issues with our secure file transfer software. To get started, can you tell me your name?
Curtis.
Nice to meet you, Curtin. How can I assist you today with our secure file transfer software?
I'm unable to log in to my Move It transfer service.
I'm sorry to hear that you're having trouble logging in. To assist you better, may I know the email address you used for your account?
Yes, it was Curtis Tally at 024@gmail.com.
I apologize for the inconvenience. It seems that I couldn't find an answer to your login issue. However, I'm here to help. Could you please provide me with more details about the problem you're experiencing?
Yes, the error message that I'm receiving is invalid username or password, uh, not allowed at sign-in.
I apologize for the inconvenience. The invalid username or password error message usually occurs when the username or password entered is incorrect. Please double check your login credentials and make sure they are entered correctly. If you're still unable to log in, please let me know and I'll do my best to assist you further.
Yes, I am still unable to log in.
I apologize for the inconvenience. If you're still unable to log in, I recommend trying the following steps. 1. Double check your username and password to ensure they are entered correctly. 2. Reset your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the login page. 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then try logging in again. 4. If the issue persists, please reach out to our support team at support@progress.com or call us at +1 301 661 3482 for further assistance. I hope this helps. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
Nope, that is fine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, Kurt. So was that a better answer?
That was a little bit better. It got a little bit more detailed. I provided it. One thing I noticed was when I provided it a better, more detailed error response, like when I gave it exactly what the error was, or it wasn't even exact. It was similar to what the error, is. It gave me a more clear response. One other thing I noticed that I liked about it was that the fact that it did ask for my email address, because it would identify me with an account. Now, obviously, I didn't use my real account for obvious reasons, but if I use my real account, it could probably even be a little bit more detailed in that sense, especially when we're talking with integrating with their ServiceNow portal, because that would allow a ticket to generate. It would from there you could it would allow it to either escalate through the more detailed troubleshooting process, or it would open up a ticket, an incident with the help desk, and we can get an immediate response. So I really think it's awesome.
With consulting, we would be able to integrate it even further, because we would automatically know who everyone is from the gal when they call in, because we're already grabbing the phone number of the person that's calling in. So we would have everyone's number listed within the gal. And then from there, we would automatically know a bunch of information which would tie directly into your ServiceNow.
Yeah.
through some consulting. So that wouldn't be a problem to do that. But so then the last question that I would have there is, did it, or were you even looking at or trying to use the resolutions that you uploaded just now within your documents? Was it actually, do you feel like it was going to your documents?
It was. I felt like, because I was watching it on my other screen, I'm going through the flow of the other document. So it did go through the flow. It did go through the troubleshooting steps because it did provide troubleshooting steps from the document. There's a few things on here, because what the thing that would happen after that, if I kept on digging deeper, there was manual intervention, that you have to have a technician to actually unlock the account. So there's two things that I saw, right? I did look up the fact, and I know this isn't fully integrated in our system through, it's just going off the documents that are provided. But
Yeah.
if I gave it an account and it did have access to our Move It system, it could potentially unlock the account automatically. The
Yeah.
service, because you would be able to, it integrates with ServiceNow. Um, so that's one good thing. The other thing I saw is that it really did. It provided me pretty much to a solution. The next step, like I said, would be to get a technician, a help desk technician involved, and he would just go into the Move It server, look up the username, or look up the account, and unlock the account, and then the user would try it again, and he would be able to go in. Now, obviously, the first thing I would do is check my password. I would clear my cache, try to try to go back to the website and sign back in with my password after it's verified. If those things didn't work, it would escalated it through. So yeah, that was perfect from the documents that we provided.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yep.
Okay, well, this has been awesome, my friend. Really appreciate this. If you don't mind to stop sharing your screen so that I can
Yes.
make sure that the recording is stopped as well.
Yep. No problem.
Okay, and close. And I'm going to reclaim host. Okay, and I can stop the recording now. All right.